Yeah, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Ovon coming at y'all guys with a video today. Shit, it's a little something different though. Yeah, my camera glitching as a... Oh, shit. What the fuck? My fault. Alright. Anyways, my camera probably be going glitching. It's not the best, but anyways. Today I'm going to be doing something different. I'm going to be putting y'all onto a hunxho preset on Bandlab. If y'all looking for a preset like to sound like hunxho on Bandlab in 2024, I'm the guy. I'm gonna be putting up some presets from now on, and I'm gonna do some like gaming videos later on. Y'all gonna see. I don't know when I'm gonna upload. I don't do YouTube like that. For me, this shit like for fun. But yeah, I've been gone a while. I know. But for me, let's just get straight into this. Let's find a hunxho beat first. Alright, yeah, I got a new beat because the old beat wouldn't what is it called, convert or whatever. So what y'all want to do is put the beat in preset, whatever beat you're using. Then you want to add your voice shit. If you want to hear yourself or you guys sing or rap, whatever y'all do. Put monitoring if y'all don't know this, for fine mic or whatever mic you use. Auto tune if y'all trying to sound like hunxho. You gotta know he likes to have a lot of auto tune. This is the beat though. It's the beat and everything. Boom, boom, boom. And the preset, we finna put the preset right here. This is a hunxho preset. Link in the bio. Nah, that's corny. It's in my caption or whatever. Let's just sit on. Call me late night when you need me, I'll be there. Let me know if you feeling lonely. Keep it close on my side like a gun on my head. Wish I can hear the pain that you. Call me late night when you need me. Keep me close on my side like a gun on my head. Baby, don't trip. 13 cuz. I bet. So you wanna boom? Let's make a little bit. Hold on. Keep me close on my side like a gun on my head. Baby, please don't fucking trip. Keep me close on my side like a gun on my head. I ain't worried about no bitch. I'm getting money, no bitch don't trip. Bitch don't trip. Bitch don't trip. I got a dick. Bitch don't trip. Get some brain, then I did. But it sounds quiet. Bitch don't trip. Get that net. What the fuck? Bitch don't trip. Bitch don't trip. Get that neck and then I did. Get that neck and then I did. Bitch don't trip. Get that neck and then I did. Get to that neck and then I did. Freaky ass bitch want me to lick her. That neck and then I did. Freak bitch want me. That neck and then I did. Freak bitch made me lick her neck and then I did. Freak bitch made me lick her neck and then I did. Freak bitch made me lick her clit. And then I did. Freak bitch made me lick her clit. And then I did. Freak bitch made me lick her clit. Yeah, I am on point. Fuck. Did. Freak bitch made me lick her clit. Freak bitch made me lick her clit. Yeah, fuck your bitch. Bitch made me lick her clit. Yeah, fuck your bitch. I don't made me lick her clit. I fucked your bitch without giving a shit. Made me lick her clit. I fucked your bitch and I ain't gave a shit. Fuck. Big bitch made me lick her clit. I fucked your bitch and I ain't gave a shit. Me lick her clit. I fucked your bitch and I ain't even trip. Oh fuck, hold on. Lick her clit. I fucked your bitch and I ain't even give a shit. I fucked your bitch, I ain't give her. I fuck a bitch, I ain't give her. Lick her clit. I fuck your bitch and I ain't give her shit. But damn, nah, that's ass. Hold on. Made me lick her clit. Made me lick her clit. We put people in the ditch. If you mention my name. If you mention my name. Put people in the ditch. If you mention my name. Wish I could heal the pain that you went through. Wish I could heal the pain that you went through. They asked how many dudes I lost. I said a couple. Heal the pain that you went through. Heal the pain that you went through. They said, Vaughn, how much people you lose? I said, a good few. Heal the pain that you went through. They said, Vaughn, how many people you lost? I said, a good few. good few, good few. Many people you lost, I said a good few. Growing up, we was taught. People you lost, I said a good few. Growing up, I was fighting. People you lost, I said a good few. Growing up, I was fighting. Gotta keep it to lead people. Gotta keep, I said a good few. Growing up, I was fighting. Towing on my pole cause people dying. I said a good few. Growing up, I was fighting. Towing on that pole cause people dying. Ooh. I said a good view. Growing up, I was fighting. Looking over my shoulder. Man, I'm entitled trying. Oh shit. Growing up, I was fighting. Oh, I need a. I'm trying. Growing up, I was fighting. Try to snatch my chain. Oh shit. Growing up, I was fighting. Try to snatch my chain. Oh shit. Growing up, I was fighting. Try to snatch my chain. One of us is dying. I was fighting. Try to snatch my chain. Try to snatch my chain, one of us is dying. With you, growing up, I was fighting. Try to snatch my chain, one of us dying. Growing up, I was fighting. Try to snatch my chain, one of us is dying. Snatch my chain, one of us is dying. Tryna ask for a relationship, bitch, I'm tryna try. Snatch my chain, one of us is dying. Tryna ask for a relationship, bitch, I'm tryna try. Bitch, I'm tired of trying. Play with a gang, I'm up with my boy. One of us is flying. Try to play it, oh shit. Dying. Try to ask for a relationship. Bitch, I'm tired of trying. Try to play with a gang. Bitch, you is flying. For a relationship. Bitch, I'm tired of trying. Try to play with a gang, I'm up with a boy. Bitch, you flying. Try to play with a gang, I'm up with a boy. Bitch, you flying. Send your bitch as far. Bitch as far. Send your bitch as up. Send your bitch as far. Send your bitch as up to the star. Send your bitch as far. Send your ass to the star. Oh shit. Send your bitch as far. You wanna be famous as fat? Send your bitch as far. You wanna be famous so bad? Send your ass to the stars. Famous so bad? Send your ass to the stars. Play super game, get hit with a car. Send your ass to the stars. Send your ass to the stars. Send your ass to the stars. Play super game, get hit with a car. Send your ass to the stars. Play super game, get hit with a car. Damn, I said, peekaboo, I'm in your dream. Bitch, I'm in your dream. Sipping lean, pure codeine. Rest in peace, Uncle Phil. Rest in peace, Uncle Phil. I need to stop popping these pills and them cells. I be thinking they healing me. I be thinking they healing me. You wanna play, get hit with a 223 or the ARP. I don't even know what I'm saying right now. But anyways, yeah, let's listen to this bitch. Come on. I'm not even finna put ad-libs. I will put ad-libs for y'all, but this is just for the preset. I guess with me, quick set some shit. Yeah, let me know if y'all fuck with the preset. If y'all do, go to the bio and fuck with it. See my camera straight. We good? I bet. Listen. Let's listen up. Come on. I could put some intro. Yeah, we are dying. Mama's crying. Keep you close on my side like a gun on my head. Keep you close on my side like a gun on my head. I ain't worried about no bitch. I get the money, no bitch on trip. Bitch on trip. Get that neck and then I did. Freak bitch made me liquor clip. We put people in the ditch. If you mention my name, wish I could heal the pain that you went through. They said, Vaughn, how many people you lost? I said, a good few. Growing up, I was fighting. Tryna snatch my chain, one of us is dying. Tryna ask for a relationship, bitch, I'm tired of trying. Try to play with a game, I'm up with a blade, bitch, you flying. Send your bitch as far. You wanna be famous so bad, send your ass to the stars. Play super game, get hit with a car. Damn, I said, peekaboo, I'm in your dream. Bitch, I'm in your dream. Sipping lean, pure codeine. Rest in peace, Uncle Phil. Rest in peace, Uncle Phil. I need to stop popping these pills and them cells. I be yeah, y'all. That's the end of the video. Appreciate y'all for watching. Feel me? This is just a little something. I'm not gonna finish this song. This was actually, I look it could. But anyways, I made this without trying. And yeah, let me turn off this shit. Anyways, shit. Hope y'all enjoyed though. Feel me? Hope y'all enjoyed this shit. If this is the preset y'all looking forward to, click it for free. It's in my bio. Or why I keep saying bio? It's in my description. The link right there. Click it, boom. And yeah, this is the preset. Hope y'all enjoy it. Peace, have a good one.